Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores ugiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Happy Sabbath mwancho muri wa Getembe TV yegano mugaso gatano narimo mutinyo igo kyanda umwaka w'ekirubere 2025 Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchera yobwenye koro wa Getembe TV nchebu na botambe osekere abanyu borete bandogete Catherine nabo yokero konuka Catherine Nyaboga timbwati boko ngobondo bwenzi Vanessa koro asomo no liwe manyerio makiwes nera kwaneke buna chibichechi nabo yiga Mario gingo ikira chira asenchera yobwekero karanseke obe 90 goika omwero na togo chaka bosbo bochorio boke obuburo birego chigokoreka chitarike 2025 na Ibere mutinyo kominari mu mwako yiga asiti ward isato imeye county ya Nyamira ward ya Nyamaya ward ya Kerenya na boigo ward ya Nyansiongo nigo bali abarigetigo chakochorwa osbakuri ibiro gebyo bwemse basabire gukora siasa cyomorembe na boigo asaba kichikora nigo basemiwe ko bachora abarayi abare abarachi gukora ayare amaya gusama gendro aya nigo akone tweno mujumbe webunge Mogrango omoske Josh Nyamoko na boigo Adam Simocheno oyoboreti oboseneta we county ya Nyamira asobo chorio bonene bwetete na boigo orogetie bunanachi kurigikiro ikyoboseneta asobo chorio mwaka 2027
ekeroge kenekamo muigwane ende moko genda ari karumu aikiraria karabanyora no mwana mino kuriyare ngentoromo murichania mwamurwanire gentekija jaka
kuboria boli chukura sobororo tebya bana inchi chisera mubwate gochia sebare ninde mubachi urachubulimo watebye kene ikimogo chakokora babarengererie barabona bobwa tokwamo tukuna wanasiasa wa mujumbe njebuna mochenwa tukabwa tiondo togochigotera nuyu ya top ni mumogo chora
tubwate by election yego ika tarehe 27 mwezi wa November ewodi yekerenyo nende asebwa kachikura chikule chio togo saba tokole omulembe kama tunaenda kufanya campaign tufanye campaign ambayo itakuwa ni amani. Wale ambao wanajisikia wamehitimu tunawaomba kwa heshima mahali popote, kama tunaenda kwa mazishi, kama tunaenda mahali popote, tunaenda kuomba watu wetu tutoe heshima.
Togo skabosio muwaziri w'oburendi waime omoske Onesmus Kipchumba murukomeniga kwanere obobe bwa malioko jogotinda anene mono amarwa gukwana n'abaliki bamangana imeye county ya Vihiga gosoro gongo ra Western asagenda tiniki karogia jukwara usara marit kuria rero murukomeniga erera habuna chisegi chegenka na boyigo ogotachero onse kwa abana bake anene mono abanyaruka n'imicando yabereye koretwa no malioko jogotinda ase boyigo aruro kubole kuchasa bagambi na barai ao wasokia na gukora ebikaro erigosemia abantu iguru yobobe obobo koretwa na maliogo yogotinda
societal sensitization, sitting with the churches, sitting with our county commissioners and our chiefs, assistant chiefs. We must find a lasting solution that is long-term. We must also look at the long-term impact in so far as school dropouts, unemployment, and other challenges that are affecting society. In fact, the prevalence of some of the high crimes here are directly related to drug abuse and drug and alcohol abuse. And some of these crimes are really very prevalent here, particularly murder. Murder is cases of murder are very high here. Fueled also not just by the alcohol and drug abuse, but also land disputes. Because of the size of land in Vihiga and highly densely populated county, there are a lot of land-related challenges, succession-related issues. Communities, there are pending succession matters to the third generation. And in most cases, the size of land has now shrunk to a very small piece of land, and therefore fuels conflict among family members. So most of these murder cases are also interlinked with family members. So that is a challenge that we must be able to deal with. The other challenge I wanted to speak to is the cases of defilement and gender-based violence. Again, this is a phenomenon that's a problem in all the 4 counties, including Vihiga here. Gender-based violence is prevalent here. In some other areas, it is women who are suffering most. But here also men are suffering because of there are also women who are abusing and beating their husbands and their men. And so the challenges we must be able to confront here as a society. And the other issue we have here is what we call something to do with cultural acceptance of these issues. Why defilement is very prevalent in this region is cultural practices, societal structure. A lot of it is incestuous. It's incest. It's a close family member defiling a small child, an uncle, a stepfather. And I have told the security team we cannot condone this. And that's the conversation we'll have with the chiefs so that we cannot use alternative dispute resolution mechanism to sort the problem. It must be by just enforcement of the law, and everybody who is involved in defilement must be arrested and charged in a court of law.
Mokonyi bomurai bwensi ya Kenya Professor Pram Kithure Kindiki nigo akwaneiro komento gw'echibesa gochiase kigancha gerige chilon kya help erio bunenchire yamo yogokonya aborokiwa baria bari university na Boigoch College anemono baria bakurochi family chiri chitari kwenyara okwana kuro Algeria na aborokiwa kurwensi ya Kenya obagosomera imeyense yo Kindiki niga tebete eserikali nechikorega chinchira aborokiwa anemono kuro Kenya bagosomera Chinsa Jesco baranyore chilon chirabakonye aseboiga kwanirite chinchira aborokiwa abo baranyore emirimo erio berigeria engeria yabo yakiraritko.
I see no reason why using the, now we have increased funding for higher education loans board. Last year we had given help to 36 billion. This year we are giving them 41 billion, an increase by 5 billion. We are funding the upkeep of our students in universities and colleges, including TVETs. I see no reason why students abroad, on a case-by-case basis perhaps, who would be on scholarships that just require modest support, why we should not factor in that request. I am very optimistic we'll find a way of doing that, but give us a bit of time so that we go and consult and see what will come out. Balozi here will communicate the outputs in a few once we are back home. Otherwise, equivalence, the upkeep thing, and then jobs for you. I agree with what the speaker said that we can find out, Balozi, how many countries that have foreign students, they allow them to do limited work, like limited work over weekend or after hours, so that they earn a bit of support. And I think if we engage, the Algerian government looks friendly.
Totigarite ime ye country ya Algeria monagariwe bonge enene Moses Masiko Tangura nere ni garu etokobolia gochiase kamati yechsemi ase bonge na boigo ababwatani bechsemi anene mono wizara yechsemi oitono chsemi cha borokia kurunsi ya Kenya ba gosomra chinse cha isko ukwana asege karona borokio ba Kenya imeyo mochebo Arigas ime ya Algeria Tangura ni go boigo arukwanirete okogarewa help.
Whoever is in the Committee of Education, go and tell them, and if none of you is, cause the chairman to come and see me. We discuss with them to engage the Minister of Education, to engage the quality assurance and the quality verification units, so that if we have students here in Algeria, it should not be left to the student to qualify, graduate, and come and start roaming from office to office looking for accreditation. The ministry should engage the institutions here and see what they're offering their students, what is the local equivalent, because when you apply for a job, you are normally told a BA or an equivalent. This or an equivalent, so that we have categorized equivalents, that when students come, you look at Kwamboka's units and what we offer locally and say this can be banded here, you qualify and you go and get your qualifications verified. The second thing is, I think your president has legitimately requested that for your stipends, Parliament again can find out whether you can expand the outreach of help to a limited degree, because you're already privileged with full scholarship for tuition, accommodation, which your colleagues at home don't have. So we can look at how we can expand help to some degree after you have sat down with the ambassador and everybody and agreed that the bare minimum we require is this. I say this, Your Excellency, because I know many of the children who get scholarships to come from Kenya to these countries largely come from low-level families. Those people, our Bunge, their children are elsewhere. So many of you come from families who, as Ambassador said,
Togo chagokorera mwaziri mukuru bubureni bwime Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i nigo agenderere kumuchia serikali na boigo emirobiri yaye kokwana kuro county ya Kitui asege karona aboro kwa Beach University ekyo kyarigane tuhe no morai bwe kyamakira kya Wiper Steven Kalonzo Musyoka nigo Matiang'i aboretie abantu gose aboroki wabo gose abasaye bakore ogochora koro kuya na batige kungaino libagari yae nigo boigatianete gocha kogenda gokore bikaro n'abantu kuro chinsemo obunenchira yamo yo gosangirira birengera na boigo koigwana bose bobochori obonene bori mutu bo mwaka 2027 ase arineganga yo gocha kuriga ekirogo kyoborai bwense.
All they need is trustworthy leadership. You mean what you say what you mean. It's long since we had a government that you could trust. That's all that Kenyans are asking. And because they can't be trusted, we're telling you, trust us. We'll give you our word and we'll keep our word. Trust us. And we will level with you. When it's not going to happen, we will tell you it's not going to happen. We will not lie to you. We will not verge or hide or hibernate or tell you stories in place of work. And we will not come to you and begin to lie and pretend about things, you know. Listen very carefully. There must be linguists in this audience. Students of linguistics and researchers. I want you to listen to the language of this administration when their leaders speak. It's called street corn language. You know, I want to ask you, please, prepare to do a good thing. You know, in life and in the history of your country, you do a good thing when you improve your country's welfare. And now, as we are moving forward to the elections, please prepare to do a good thing. And the good thing can't be returning these people. So you know what the good thing is. And you educated people. Yani kama tuko namna hii vile tulivyo baada ya miaka 3. Another 5 years of these people, do you think you will have a country? Takuwa hata umeuswa wewe mwenyewe unafika Dubai. I don't spend so much time on a lot of innuendos. I would like to focus on solutions. How do we get ourselves out of this? The horrific stories you hear in the education sector that are going on. No one knows that better than you guys. But what we are seeing in the country. I mean, we talk to teachers, we are with teachers, school principals, parents every day. And you keep asking yourself the question, what actually is going on? And so what do you want to hear? All those parents of Kenya, all the teachers of Kenya, wherever you meet the teachers, ask them a simple question: do you want to continue this way? If your answer is no, like mine is, and Kalonzo and everybody's answer is no, then you know what to do. This is a case where I honestly think we shouldn't campaign. Those who should campaign and are spending money on social media, insulting us, creating meetings for us that we don't even know, lying about what Kalonzo has done and are not done, lying about where Matiang'i is seated, vis-a-vis Kalonzo's position of sitting.
Manchabarigariani gocha utokire chitaika 15 nemo igore Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabona mugasori tukerie Jumamosi na rayo kore Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo wenya kore ndichikoraga 10 tochikoira na gaiga asemesa Ekeonga tokoretera yo munaenda mwanga asenchira yo bwenge boigo Nchengero kwa Catherine Nyaboga veni Nyaboga korasumu na bwimanyiriro makurs kuresi dia kabina rakwana kabina chibuche china mari wengu kirachira asenchira yo bwekrano twaro borigiri borobya asemero borega Getembe TV rago chirembe aseka geterege tamba tomrani cheka Chinsa chiko.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asa mabati ali aye chigage emerongibire na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asobwango eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene eduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Keroka Technical Training Institute ni shule ambayo utaiaminia kwa masomo ya kiufundi kama vile Building and Civil Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Agriculture and Environmental Studies, Applied Science Department, Computing and Informatics, Modern and Full Equipped Library, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering Department, ambayo wanatoa viwango vyote. Na sasa usajili wa mwezi wa Septemba unaendelea. Kwa mengi wapigie simu kwa nambari 0726588558 au 0708330000 au watembelee kwa tovuti ya www.kerukatechnical.ac.ke. Kumbuka, hii shule iko kilomita 1.5 peke yake kutoka mji mkuu wa Keroka. Mlete mwanao leo ili apate manufaa ya elimu.
Ndagira njane gwansabna iyero siri na riziki